Hi, I am Mathiazhagan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications. Today I have an explain for the software engineering. So Agile development techniques. So we have a today classes for how to extreme programming using in new version of Agile development. So first here verify a very influentially Agile method to develop in the late 1990s. We have introduced and influentially we have developed in 1990s for Agile methods that introduced a range of Agile development techniques. So extreme program XP take an extreme approach to the iterative development. So new version may be built several times per day. So this the increments are delivery to the customer every 2 weeks. All the tests must be run for the every build done and accepted if test run successfully. The extreme programming release cycle. So this is the 6 type of release cycle we have available for extreme programming. So first one is the select user stories for this release. So we have a cycling for the second one is the breakdown stories to tasks. Third one is the plan release. Fourth one is the develop and integrate test software. Fifth one is the release software. Sixth one is the evaluate system. So this is for the extreme programming releases cycle. So it is the based on the extreme programming for cycle. So extreme programming practices, for example of principles or practices, we have a given for the description for everyone. So first one is the incremental planning. It is the requirement are recorded on store records, and the stories to be include the release are determined by the time available and the relative priority. The developer break the stories into the development task we have available. Second one is the small releases. The minimum useful set of the functionality that provide the business value is developed first. Releases for the system for frequently or incrementally add functionality to the first releases. There one is a simple design. So enough design is carried out of the meet currently requirement and no more. So fourth one is the test first development. An automated unit test framework is used to write the test for a new piece of functionality before the functionality we have used. So fifth one is the refactoring. So all developer are expect to the refactor the code. It is the possible for the code implemental or found. Is the code simple and maintenance. So this type of we have used for the extreme programming practices. So first one is the incremental planning. Second one is the small releases. Fourth one is the simple designs. Third one is the simple designs. Fourth one is the test first development. Fifth one is the refactoring. So this is all the available on the extreme programming practices with descriptions. So next, pair programming and collective ownership, continuous integrations, sustainable pace, on-site customer. So pair programming is a developer work in the pairs, checking each other's work and providing the support to always do a good job. So collective ownership, the pairs to develop work on all areas of the systems so that no island for expertise development and all the developers take the responsibility for all the codes. So none can change anything. So continuously integrations. As soon as a work as the task is completed, it is integrated into the whole system. So after any such integration, all the units tested in the system must pass. So sustainable pace. So large amount of overtime are not considered acceptable as the net effect if often to the reduce the code quality and medium team productivity. So fifth one is the on-site customer. The representative of the code end user of the system should be available full time of the use of the XP tester and extreme programming process. The customer developer team and responsible for the beginning requirement of the team for implementations. So XP and Agile principles. So incremental development supported through the small frequently system releases. Customer involvement mean full-time customer engagement with the team. People not process through the pair programming. So collective ownership and the process that avoid long work hours. So change the supporting through the regular system releases and maintain the simplicity through the constant refactoring of the code. Thank you.